Welcome to the future of residential living, brought to you by the Scolmore Group Spec Solutions. We're talking about everything from wiring accessories to lighting, and consumer units to security. First up, from Scolmore Group, let's talk about click wiring accessories. From our white molded range with antimicrobial properties to decorative plates, these products aren't just safe and reliable, they're sleek and stylish too. The Equip range of outdoor switches and sockets boasts an IP66 rating, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh weather conditions. Our Elucian consumer units and protective devices are the pinnacle of safety and reliability for a home's electrical system. Now, let's get smart. With our Click Smart Plus home range, you're in control like never before. Adjust your lighting, set the perfect temperature, and even manage your appliances all from the palm of your hand. Let's step into a world of Ovia lighting, your ultimate solution for illuminating every corner of a home. Ovia offers a diverse range of options, including sleek downlighting, powerful floodlights for added safety, and durable bulkheads for dependable outdoor lighting. Safety first, right? That's why we offer ESP Smart Security with Fort, door entry systems, and CCTV. Keep an eye on your home, no matter where you are, with state-of-the-art security solutions that give you peace of mind around the clock. We also have our Aperta range of door stations, ensuring seamless integration and enhanced security for any premises. Stay in control with Sangamo's Choice Plus programmers too. And last but not least, we've got Unicrimp for all your electrical accessory needs. From connectors to cable management solutions, we've got everything you need to keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. So there you have it. Scolmore Group Spec Solutions, bringing the future of residential living right to your doorstep.